After days of loaded festive food, it's time to eat something healthy and light but still keeping the festive spirit alive. Today we are making spinach, feta and mozzarella roll puffs, which are totally delicious, flaky and a perfect balance between flavor and a healthy quick snack. So we start by heating some oil in a pan and stir frying chopped garlic and onions until translucent. All ingredients will be mentioned in the description box below or in the comment section, so don't forget to check it out. Then goes in blanched and chopped spinach leaves and cook it well for a few minutes until it becomes tender. Season with salt and pepper, and once done, put the stove off and let it cool. Transfer the mixture into a bowl and add 1 cup of feta cheese and half cup of mozzarella. Combine everything well together and set aside. I'm using store-bought puff pastries, but if you want to learn how to make puff pastry at home, then check the link on the screen or in the description box below. Add in the stuffing, roll it tightly and cut into equal sized pieces. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, and don't forget to do an egg wash or butter wash in between. And it's ready, healthy, full of flavor and totally delicious bite-sized snacks ready to be served. Do show your love by subscribing to my channel and sharing it with your family and friends.